Welcome back to Laura's Cozy Corner. I'm out here fishing today, and a lot of times we don't catch anything, but it does teach us patience, being out in nature, just listening to everything, seeing the beautiful trees, the water. I'm out on the boat. But God has given us all of this. It's nice to just sit back and relax and watch. I encourage you today to get out and enjoy the beautiful days that you have. You're not guaranteed another day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave comments if you have any questions.